Sitting here working on this 2017 6.7, and it's a 17. It has the plastic intake. I'll show you all that here in a second. Let's get into manifold absolute pressure code. I'll show you what I found. You ready? This is gonna be a good one. Plastic intake, manifold absolute pressure sits right here. It plugs in. It sits down inside here. This is the new one. See, it's got a little hole in it. There's the one I took out. Come on, focus. It is just caked up with stuff. So I guess if you want, you can watch me put the sensor in. Not that one. Put the new one in. Let me get this bolt started right quick. It is a 7mm bolt. I just had to get it started. Get it started with my finger, and then I'll tighten it with the socket just in a tight spot. But it's not so tight we can't handle it. So helps if I have it switched the right way. Right there. On. It keeps switching on me. Let me tighten this down. There, it's tight. Done. Already cleared the code. That's just crazy. It is so caked up inside there. So, now you see that the manifold absolute pressure is clogged up. But now it has a new one. Now it should be good to go. Love you guys. See you on the next one.